In this video, I'm gonna connect WordPress to make.com. So in the new scenario, I write WordPress. Here you have WordPress module. And for example, let's take watch posts. Then create a connection. And what you're gonna need here is new connection name. And here what you're gonna need is REST API base URL and API key. For REST API base URL, for now, I'm gonna use my domain /vp JSON. And to get other API endpoint references, you can go to WordPress developer resources to this link. And here you can see all the resources. If you click on any, then you can see what it does. Or if you don't know which one you need, then you can go and ask also AI, especially Grok. It is very good with helping with tasks like this. And here you can see it is outputting endpoint and describing it. So I wrote client address over here, and now what I'm gonna need is API key. And as written over here, you're gonna have to go to your WordPress website and you can copy this one and install this plugin. So in the WordPress, go to plugins. Here you can press add plugin and search for the same plugin. We just copy it. Here it is, make connector. So I'm just gonna install this one and click activate. So now on the left side, I can click on make below the settings. And here you're gonna see your API key, and I'm gonna click reveal and copy this one. Next thing that you're gonna need is API permissions. Click on it. I will click on all and then save settings. And now if I go here back in make.com and paste API key and click save, and if it is giving you error like this, then go back to WordPress and here click regenerate for API key. Here you're gonna have to type regenerate and then click regenerate API key. Once again, click reveal, copy this one, and now paste it here in make.com and click save. And now it worked. This plugin in the WordPress is not the best, as you can see. It is already giving errors right in the beginning, but this is how you connect it with make.com. Have a beautiful day.